Oh, they stuck.
Oh, it's stuck. Sweet.
Yeah, they finally stuck. I'm gonna pull up to you right now.
I'm at P2's workshop. Crashing all those
Yeah, I'm
deserts.
coming.
I'm dynoing this E4.
You all the way
Corvette.
fucked up right now, huh?
950 horsepower.
Yeah, I saw the
So this
Corvette too
thing,
now.
so this thing is pushing 950 horsepower. Let's see what it can take on before the railroad track.
Man, that shit's fucking flying.
Not too fast. It was only 155 before the railroad. So
Yeah, hold on, let me change my shit to channel 2. I gotta tune this cause yeah, it didn't say.
I'm gonna do one little pull. Okay, that was pretty good. Just want to see if I was gonna fly off.
Oh fuck. I tried to use my controller. Woo. Fuck, I gotta open that.
All right. I think I know what drag track they're gonna be on today.
Oh, so let me see. Hold on.
189.
Radar display. Subtitles? No. I don't see it. Fuck it.
Nope.
Do you hear me?
I heard.
Oh, okay.